What if I told you your crush is not ignoring you because you're not good enough, but because your brain is silently sabotaging you in ways you don't even realize? And the worst part, the moment you like someone, your confidence doesn't just drop, it completely flips against you. Today, I'll show you psychological tricks that instantly change how you feel around your crush, so you stop acting nervous and start becoming the version of yourself they actually notice. But be careful, because once you understand this, you'll never look at your behavior the same way again. Part 1. Why you lose confidence around your crush. Let's get something straight. It's not your looks, it's not your voice, it's not your personality. It's your perception of importance. When your brain labels someone as high value, it automatically puts you in a lower mental position. This is called status distortion. Your mind starts saying, what if I say something stupid? What if they reject me? What if I ruin my chance? And boom, you stop being natural. You start performing, and that's exactly when attraction disappears. Part 2. The 3-second reset trick. Here's a psychological hack used in behavioral science. Before you talk to your crush, pause for just 3 seconds. Then mentally say, I am not trying to impress. I am just observing. This instantly shifts your brain from approval mode to presence mode, and presence is where confidence lives. Because confident people don't chase validation, they control their internal state first. Try it once and you'll notice your voice becomes calmer automatically. Part 3. The eye contact anchor technique. Most people break eye contact too fast when they feel nervous, but here's the trick. Hold eye contact for 1 extra second longer than normal. Not staring, not forcing, just slightly longer. Why? Because psychologically, people associate controlled eye contact with dominance and confidence, and your brain also adapts to that identity. The more you do it, the more your nervous system stops reacting like you're in danger. Part 4. Stop seeking impression, start creating curiosity. Instead of trying to impress your crush, switch your goal. Make them curious about you. Don't explain everything. Don't overshare. Leave small gaps in your personality. For example, instead of saying everything you do, say things like, I do something interesting you wouldn't expect, and stop. That's it. Now their brain will automatically try to fill the gap. This is called the curiosity loop effect, and curiosity builds attraction faster than approval ever will. Part 5. The internal shift that changes everything. Here's something most people never realize. Confidence is not what you do, it's what you stop doing. Stop overthinking your movements. Stop analyzing every sentence. Stop trying to predict reactions, because the more you monitor yourself, the more unnatural you become. Instead, focus outward, listen, observe, react naturally. That's where real charm appears. Final truth. Now here's something important. Even if you master all these tricks, there is one hidden factor that decides whether your crush feels attraction or not, and most people completely ignore it. If you understand this one thing, your social presence changes permanently. But I'll explain that in the next video. If this video made you realize something about yourself, then don't scroll away. Hit the like button so more people can learn this psychology. Subscribe, because I break down real attraction psychology that nobody teaches you. And comment below, confident, if you want the next part, how to make your crush actually start noticing you first.